Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel S.English tutorial. Today I will provide you a short speech about the Teachers' Day. Good morning everyone. First of all, I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. I would like to thank you all for giving me this opportunity to speak about this great day. Today is 5th September, Teachers' Day. We are very happy to get such a day. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, which is celebrated as Teachers' Day. I would like to thank my respected teachers and all my friends. The teachers are like the candles who burn himself to give us light. A good teacher can make a good society. They expect from us nothing but respect. The teachers are supposed to be the architects of all professions. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was a great scholar, philosopher, and the second president of independent India. And most importantly, he was a great teacher. He suggested his students to celebrate his birthday as Teachers' Day. To show respect to all the teachers, this day reminds us of the relationship between teachers and students. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Visit again.